Well, welcome to the EV Brief Test Kitchen, where we've ditched our gas stove for a Bosch induction unit. Let's see how long it takes to boil 2 litres of water, I think, because it's past tonight. Now, stainless steel pan, it actually recognises automatically. There's a pan on there. Let's go to boost mode for maximum heat. Hey Google, set a stopwatch.
Ready.
And let's see how long it takes to boil water. A lot of people say induction's slow, the temperature's not as good as gas. So we want to just see how quick this is to boil a significant amount of water for past a night. Now, why did we ditch natural gas? Now, that term is something that was obviously coined by the industry, like the phrase cooking with gas, something to kind of make it seem homely and futuristic and I suppose enjoyable to use. But in reality, gas is you're combusting something. So like wood, like charcoal, anytime you combust something, there are particulates that are released. There are also a lot of chemicals in gas, like benzene and other things that are really harmful for our bodies and for our lungs. And basically back to the combustible stuff, you don't want to have anything like that in your house because, as some studies have shown, childhood asthma rates have increased in Australia and the US due to cooking with gas in the house, because although we're lucky enough to be able to ventilate our kitchen here, a lot of people don't. They just recycle the air, and particularly in winter with gas heating and cooking, they're actually ingesting those particulates and those chemicals all the time. And there's also other studies that show that even when gas stoves and gas appliances are off, they're still releasing gas. So absolutely no good at all. Now we're at 1 minute 25. And there's already quite a few bubbles forming in the bottom of the pan. And we've got 2 litres of water. That's EV Brief Junior trying to go to bed. Now this is a 90 centimetre induction stove, obviously quite a big one, and it has quite a few features. You don't need to get something that's expensive. You've got IKEA has Hotplates from I think $50 or $60, which work really well from experience. They're portable, they simply plug into a wall outlet, and you can even take them away on a trip. Now we're at 2 minutes 30 almost, and we're starting to get some serious bubbles coming up here, so I reckon that's pretty quick. There we go, just on 3 minutes, and we've got a pretty serious rolling boil happening here on the induction. Highly recommend this.